In the heart of Charlotte, where the city is always buzzing, there's a team of heroes who never stop. They are Charlotte Fire, and this September, we're teaming up with Fire Department Coffee to serve something truly special. Fire Department Coffee isn't just any coffee company. It's a veteran-owned brand, fueled by a mission to give back to those who give their all, our firefighters. Founded by a retired firefighter, Fire Department Coffee is all about community, camaraderie, and making a difference one cup at a time. During September, Charlotte Fire will be the featured department. For every bag of coffee or t-shirt sold, a portion of the proceeds goes directly to supporting sick and injured firefighters right here in Charlotte.
So Charlotte, it's a great city. The city's always buzzing. So the reason why we wanted to do what we do is because giving back to firefighters is really at the heart of our brand. It's the mission that fuels us. We work with different fire departments that have a need, whether that's mental health awareness or resiliency, or sick and injured firefighters that have been hurt on the job, either mentally or physically, especially those who are fighting cancer.
Coffee is more than just a drink. It's a chance to connect, to recharge, and to support each other, especially when times are tough.
You know, whether it's good conversations or difficult conversations, it always usually happens over a cup of coffee. And what better way to have a good conversation with people and just spending time with those you work with and friends and family and coming together with coffee.
This September, when you purchase a bag of Fire Department coffee or a Charlotte Fire t-shirt, you're not just fueling your day, you're fueling a mission to support those who protect us, day in and day out. Join us in raising a mug to Charlotte's bravest. Fire Department Coffee, brewed by firefighters, for firefighters. Let's keep the flame of community service burning bright.